Here I have REDMI Note 12 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change recording resolution, you can change its video quality, you can change its orientation, sound source, also frame rate. You can lock screen to end recording, you can enable show touch gestures and show button taps. So to start recording, just tap on this button in the upper bar once. After that, this kind of menu appears. From here you can also access these settings and folder with recordings in gallery. So to just start recording, tap on this red button and recording starts. So we can record some of our screen, maybe some settings. You can pause recording. Okay, you can't pause recording, you can just stop recording by tapping on the red button once again. And after that it will be saved to the gallery. And here it is. Okay, no sound for some reason. Okay. From here you can share, edit, favorite, delete your recording, and also like add to albums, add video, wallpaper and stuff. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.